Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off a dark theme or any theme package on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you just want to make sure you have the Google Chrome browser open. Select the three-dotted icon near your top right corner of the browser screen, just left click on that, and then select Settings. Select Appearance on the left side, and then under Appearance Themes, it should say what the theme is listed in here, and just select Reset to Default. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. You can close out of the Chrome web browser, and your settings should be saved at this point. So, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.